Good evening everyone, Jaya Hind, welcome back. Today we will be discussing about Russia-Ukraine conflict and its impact on global politics, so let's begin. The Russia-Ukraine conflict has reverberated across the globe, reshaping geopolitics in profound ways. Here's a detailed exploration of its impact. 1. Realignment of alliances. The conflict created a political constellation of three distinct groups of nations. Pro-Ukraine allies, European Union, EU, states swiftly imposed major sanctions against Russia, demonstrating resolve and surprising unity. The UK, emphasizing its special relationship with Kyiv, provided strong rhetoric and military support. Pro-Russia allies. Putin leveraged old alliances with Syria's Bashar al-Assad and Belarus's Alexander Lukashenko. A closer strategic relationship with Iran also emerged. Non-aligned nations. Some countries abstained from taking sides, including South Africa, Pakistan, and India. In Asia, only Singapore, South Korea, and Japan stood firmly with Ukraine. 1. 2. Security and nuclear risks. European security was shattered, redrawing lines and challenging post-Cold War stability. The war reignited discussions about nuclear weapons, with concerns over their potential use or proliferation. 3. Energy and food security. The conflict disrupted global energy markets. Russia's role as a major gas supplier to Europe came under scrutiny. Food security was impacted due to disruptions in trade routes and agricultural production. 4. Russia as a pariah state. Russia's actions isolated it internationally, leading to economic and diplomatic consequences. The invasion prompted widespread condemnation and further strained relations with the West. 5. New hopes for Ukraine. Despite the devastation, Ukraine emerged as a symbol of resilience and hope. Its fight against aggression garnered international support. The conflict highlighted the importance of international law and the need to uphold norms and rules. In summary, the Russia-Ukraine conflict marked a seismic shift in global politics, challenging established alliances, threatening security, and reshaping economic dynamics. Its impact will continue to unfold, affecting nations far beyond the immediate theater of war. Let's delve deeper into the impact of the Russia-Ukraine conflict on global politics. 6. Geopolitical shifts. NATO expansion debate. The conflict intensified debates about NATO expansion. Countries like Georgia and Moldova sought closer ties with NATO, while Russia warned against further encroachment into its sphere of influence. Baltic states' security. The Baltic countries, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania, became increasingly concerned about their security. They reinforced their defense capabilities and sought stronger NATO presence in the region. Frozen conflicts. The conflict highlighted other frozen conflicts in the post-Soviet space, such as Transnistria, in Moldova, and Nagorno-Karabakh, between Armenia and Azerbaijan. These unresolved disputes gained renewed attention. 7. Diplomatic efforts and mediation. Minsk agreements. The Minsk agreements aimed at a ceasefire and political resolution. However, implementation faced challenges, and the conflict persisted. Normandy format. France, Germany, Russia, and Ukraine engaged in diplomatic talks, the Normandy format, to find a peaceful solution. These negotiations underscored the importance of dialogue. 8. Impact on European unity. Brexit context. The conflict occurred during the Brexit process, affecting EU unity. Some EU members advocated for a tougher stance against Russia, while others prioritized economic ties. EU sanctions. The EU imposed sanctions on Russia, impacting trade and investment. However, maintaining consensus among 27 member states proved challenging. 9. Global power dynamics. China's position. China maintained a cautious stance, emphasizing non-interference. However, its economic interests in both Russia and Europe influenced its approach. US-Russia relations. The conflict strained US-Russia relations further. Sanctions, cyber warfare accusations, and arms control discussions were affected. 10. Lessons learned. The conflict highlighted the fragility of post-Cold War stability and the need for robust international institutions. It underscored the importance of preventive diplomacy and conflict resolution mechanisms. In summary, the Russia-Ukraine conflict reshaped alliances, tested international norms, and revealed geopolitical fault lines. Its legacy continues to shape global politics, emphasizing the delicate balance between sovereignty, security, and cooperation.